Welcome to LegitApp. If you're wondering if your Chanel bag is authentic or a replica, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to authenticate your Chanel bag effortlessly using our sleek and intuitive app. Let's dive right in. First, download and open LegitApp on your phone. To get started with the authentication, you'll need some Legit tokens. Each token is about $1. Pick the plan that suits you best and purchase your tokens. With your tokens ready, select Luxury Handbags from the category list. LegitApp supports a wide range of luxury brands, including Chanel. Choose Chanel and then select the model of your bag, such as the classic double flap bag, for the most precise results. Next, decide how quickly you need your results. LegitApp offers turnaround times starting from just 30 minutes, with free protection included. Select the option that works best for you and proceed to checkout. Photos are everything in online authentication. But don't worry. LegitApp provides simple photo guidelines to help you capture all the essential details of your Chanel bag. Here's what you need to snap. Take a clear photo of the entire front of the bag. Get a close-up of the logo on the leather tag. For Chanel bags, the serial code is crucial. Make sure you take a clear photo of the serial code sticker inside the bag, or the metal chip used on newer bags. Additionally, take close-ups of the hardware, such as the front and back of the zippers, including the logo engraving on the zipper pulls. Upload your high-quality photos and add any additional information that might be helpful. Confirm your payment using your Legit tokens and keep an eye on the status. Your Chanel bag will be reviewed by a team of 2 to 3 expert authenticators, supported by AI analysis and classified as either authentic or replica. Each verified Chanel bag comes with a free digital certificate, providing proof of authenticity. If the bag is identified as a replica, you will receive a difficulty score from 1 to 10, along with the reasons for the decision. LegitApp is your go-to for safeguarding your luxury handbag investments. Download it now from the App Store or Google Play. Follow us for more authentication tips and the latest updates.